or Laura.
Okay.
Who do you think I'm gonna get?
I think you're gonna get. I think you're gonna get Yuche. How do you say her name, guys? I'm sorry. Yuche? I think that's the poster. I don't know. It's my first time opening
Me too.
it. What is this?
I almost forgot.
Oh, like the little hand thing. Wait, that's cute. Oh no, wait, that's not the picture.
Look what I got! Oh, I got Daniela! Oh my god! What is that?
Who's that from?
Who's that from? Oh, I got Daniela! Okay, wait.
Is it cute?
I go MIA for real. I go MIA for real.
Oh, so you got Daniela?
Yeah, I got
No, you didn't. You got Manon.
No, I got Daniela.
Then why did it say Daniela but Manon on the back? I'm confused.
I'm actually kind of confused. That thing! Like, my cousin knows me so well for real.
Yay.
Okay, wait, we have to open like the whole
Kaylee got Sophie.
She got her binding. Like, me too.
Cute. This is so cool.
Wait, this is actually.
Let's go through it. Cute. Do you like it? Okay.
Let's like try not to.
I'm sweating, guys.
Can you do this?
So
Because
hot.
I'm scared I'm gonna break it when I do this. I swear it's because of my nails.
You guys put everything on your nails.
Yes, because it's true.
Okay, moving on. Next. No.
Oh! Is it just for
You can use this as posters too.
really?
Yeah,
I'm
you
not
can,
gonna
like,
do that.
Oh, okay.
Because like. Yeah, it's cat's eye. It's what we're seeing. The one that's saying Game Boy and everything.
Hands off, Gabriella.
You wanna see?
Oh, so you Oh, it's with everyone. I think this is the poster.
That's a surprise. Why would you ruin the surprise? Why would you?
Show me when you
Hi, Adam.
tell me
This is our favorite one.
She's literally our bias. Oh, here's Kaylee bias. And Johanna's bias.
Hey, baby.
Your chat.
No, this is the one that people use for posters. It's so cool. need this for like when we're traveling because I always take up space in the bathroom, so I need this. Thank you, thank you. I needed this.
And what's
It's the candle lighter. I also need this. As you can tell, I asked for things that I actually needed because. Wait, no, that's not. Look at this. Like I just didn't know what to ask for. Thank you, Freya.
The ghost.
Thank you.
The ghost.
Okay, now let's go and play some more games.
The ghost.
Merry Christmas.
Christmas where I am?